Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Big 9 is probably one of the most crucial reads for anyone trying to understand the future shaped by artificial intelligence and the powerful companies developing it, offering a profound look into how these technological advancements are not just changing our daily lives but also redefining global power dynamics and ethical considerations, making it an indispensable guide for navigating the complex landscape of tomorrow's world. Number 5. Big Book of Silly Jokes for Kids. Looking for endless giggles and smiles? This book is packed with hilarious jokes designed to entertain children of all ages. It's the perfect companion for any occasion. Specifically crafted for young minds, it ensures every joke is age-appropriate and genuinely funny. Your little ones will love sharing these with friends and family. Dive into a world of silly puns, clever riddles, and light-hearted one-liners. There's a joke for every mood, guaranteeing constant amusement. Whether it's a long car trip, a family gathering, or just a quiet afternoon, it provides instant entertainment. Keep the laughter going wherever you are. Give the gift of laughter and watch their faces light up. It's more than just a book, it's a gateway to joyful memories and endless fun. What we like. This book is packed with endless laughter for young ones. It's designed to bring joy and giggles to any child's day. If you're looking for a simple, fun way to entertain kids, this is a perfect choice. What people say. Number 4. Dominos Double 9 Set with Case. This classic game brings joy to all ages, from kids aged 9 and up to adults. It's perfect for family game nights and makes a thoughtful gift for loved ones. Inside, you'll find 55 beautifully crafted ivory tiles with classic black dots. Each one is numbered on a standard system, ensuring authentic gameplay. Crafted from high-quality, eco-friendly plastic, these tiles are built to last. Their indented, well-painted dots won't fade, providing years of enjoyment. Each tile boasts an ideal weight and balance, measuring 0.35 by 1 by 2 inches. This ensures a comfortable grip and a satisfying feel during every game. Beyond traditional dominoes, this set is perfect for popular games like Mexican Train and Chicken Foot. It's a fantastic toy for boys and girls, suitable for any gathering. A stylish brown wood case is included for easy storage and transport. It keeps them protected from wear and tear, ready for indoor or outdoor play. What we like. This set offers classic fun for all ages, featuring high-quality, durable tiles that won't fade. Its convenient wooden case makes it perfect for travel and family game nights anywhere. If you're seeking a sturdy, versatile game for family gatherings or on-the-go entertainment, this set is an excellent option. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted. Number 3. Women Round Signet Ring RN320. Discover our exquisite round-shaped signet ring. It's a timeless piece designed to add a touch of classic elegance to any look. This beautiful ring is available in solid gold, offering choices of 9K, 14K, or 18K. You can select the perfect purity to match your preference. Make it uniquely yours with personalized options. This gold chevalier can be custom engraved with your chosen initial. The custom initial engraving adds a deeply personal touch. It transforms this stunning piece into a cherished keepsake. Looking for a meaningful present? This personalized ring makes an ideal gift for a loved one, perfect for any special occasion. With its classic round shape and solid gold construction, it promises both enduring style and exceptional quality. This piece is built to last. What we like. This exquisite piece is crafted from solid gold, available in various carats to suit your preference. It offers a unique opportunity for personalization with custom initial engraving, making it truly special. If you're looking for a timeless, elegant gift with a personal touch, this ring is an ideal choice. What people say. Number 2. Much Music Big Shiny Tunes 9. Get ready for the ultimate collection of hits. This album brings together the biggest tracks from your favorite artists. Experience the iconic sound that defined an era. It's packed with chart-topping anthems you know and love. Whether you're driving, working out, or just relaxing, this compilation is your perfect companion. Let the music take you back. Don't miss out on this incredible journey through the best of contemporary music. It's available now for you to enjoy. From the trusted name in music, this collection continues a tradition of excellence. Discover or rediscover the sounds that shaped a generation. What we like. This album brings together a collection of popular hits from its era. It's a fantastic way to revisit the sounds of a specific musical period. If you enjoy compilations of well-known tracks and want to relive some musical memories, this is a great pick. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points can be extracted or quoted as per instructions. Number 1. Various Artists, Jazz and Popular Music of 1920s Volume 9. Immerse yourself in the vibrant sounds of a bygone era. This collection transports you to the Roaring Twenties, a decade of unprecedented cultural change and musical innovation. Experience the birth of a new musical language. It captures the essence of early jazz, with its infectious rhythms and improvisational spirit. Beyond jazz, discover the popular tunes that defined a generation. This volume showcases the diverse musical landscape that captivated audiences during that exciting time. Featuring a curated selection from various artists, it offers a comprehensive listening experience. You'll hear the iconic voices and instrumentalists who shaped the era's sound. Whether you're a history enthusiast or a music lover, this album is a must-have. Let it fill your home with the timeless melodies and energetic beats of the 1920s. What we like. This collection transports you back to the vibrant sounds of the 1920s. It features a diverse range of jazz and popular music from that iconic decade. If you appreciate historical music and want to explore the unique sounds of the Roaring Twenties, this compilation is perfect. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.